How are you babies doing? I am doing good. So I hope you vixens enjoyed my last video. I got a lot of good feedback on my book haul. Guys, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Monroe. I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, vintage hauls, vintage tutorials. That is the niche on this channel, so please hit like and subscribe. And please turn on the notification bell so you vixens can get more updates when I upload more videos. Now, on to the main event. This video is about Lasbrewhas. Gabby was so nice enough to give me her whole rose collection from her line Lasbrewhas, guys. If you guys don't know it, it is Latina owned. Guys, you can look at it right here. I will have all the links in description box below. I will have everything linked. Trust me, you guys do not want to miss out on this video. So guys, without further ado, I've seen all these nice, yummy, organic products. These are all homemade, all organic, and they are all made homemade by Gabby. So if you guys cannot wait to see this video, please keep watching. Okay, vixens, so before we get into it, guys, let me have a little drink. I have been drinking a lot of these Perriers, or Perrier. I call them Perrier. They are carbonated water, sparkling water, so I love these. And these are so good to me. They have them in different flavors. I'm drinking the original flavor, but this keeps me very hydrated. And I'm on keto, so let me know, vixens, if any of you guys are on keto or any other type of, you know, health diet or health journey or whatever. But without further ado, let's get started on her products. Now, guys, she sent me her whole rose collection. I am so grateful for Gabby because she even added a little extra, and I'm so thankful for that. So first, I want to go and show you guys her products. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is her rose collection. Now, I want to let you vixens know that before I ever post anything or record anything and make a video about anything, I test these products out first to make sure I actually like the product, because I don't want to just say, oh, these are good, and they're not. You know, I'm very honest on all my reviews, so I wanted to test this product out. Now, her rose and rosemary conditioner is very, very, very good. Vixens, like, look, I'm a natural baby. I mean, my hair is highly bleached now, but you guys see my hair black natural. And this has taken care of my bleached hair so well. It has made my hair super soft, no breakage, and it is taking care of like any type of issues with my hair, you know, because I have to be very gentle with my hair because it's so highly bleached. I put a lot of heat on my hair and it's bleached, so I have to be careful. But this says rosemary conditioner, and it has avocado oil, coconut oil, rose hip oil, rosemary, liquid silk, moon, water, BTMS, and amphetamine. So I really, really love this stuff, and it has her little logo on the back, so I really like that. And yeah, this, you can even tell with the bottle. The bottle is, I even think the bottle is what do you call it? The bottle, you can recycle the bottle, so I think the bottle is recyclable. But this rosemary has really done wonders to my hair. It has made my hair super soft, no breakage, and the conditioner has made my hair feel silky smooth. So I really love this conditioner, and I highly recommend this, guys. If you are into organic whole products that is small business owned and it's Latina owned, and I do recommend. So guys, do not miss out on this one. Next, vixens, I want to go into her rose face mask. Now this, guy, smells so good. It is her rose face mask, and you directly apply it. Now, I put this on my face for 30 minutes, made my skin super soft, and I love the smell. It smells super good, and this is how it looks like. So, you know, it smells good, and you don't need to use a lot. All you need is like a little fingerful, and you just spread it all over your face, and it smells good. It's very gritty, and it, you know, it's very gritty, and it's like the consistency of it is very gritty. It's very thick, So, you know, you're gonna get a full coverage when you put this on your face. And I like the ingredients. It has rose petals, honey, moon water, pink clay, and amphetamine. Benefits is detoxing, anti-aging, moisturizing, gentle exfoliation. So you guys will get a full good exfoliate face mask like you are at a spa with Lasbrewhas. So I do love this. I do recommend this. I will be getting more now, you know, because this is worth every penny, and her stuff is nicely priced for the price point. Like, you're getting your money's worth when you use her stuff. So I do recommend this. Now vixens, this other in the set that she gave me, now this is her rose face cream made with rose hip, candy lila, mango butter, avocado oil, shea butter, and turmeric. And guys, this has changed the game for me when it comes to my routine, when it comes to my self-care routine, and when I do my lymphatic massages. I use her rose face cream for that. And guys, it is so moisturizing. As you can see, I've used a lot of it because I do it every day. And guys, vixens, it has cleared up my acne, because I would get like breakouts right here, right here, right here. I'm a full coverage girl, so I wear a lot of makeup, so I would get sometimes breakouts right here, up here, here, and sometimes on my forehead. And guys, I would use like my jade rollers, and I would use my jade rollers, and I would just like give myself a lymphatic massage, and I would use her rose face cream. And guys, it works wonders. Not only has it slimmed down my face with this, but this has deep moisturized my skin. I have very, very, very dry skin, to the point it will flake. So anything moisturizing for dry skin works wonders, and I love this. I love that it is all organic, and it's eco-friendly, organic, and it came, well, let me see, it's indigenous ingredients from the Amazon rainforest and local NY farmers. So this is based in New York. Her business is based in New York. So you're gonna get the best of the best when you buy from Lasbrewhas. You will be getting the best from the best. And I also just like that, you know, the containers is recyclable. They look recyclable, and they look reusable as well. So I really do like this. But guys, if you guys don't get anything, at least try out her rose face cream, because especially my dry skin babies, if you guys suffer from dry skin, this will really help you out. So peep this and try her rose face cream. Now vixens, now this one was sent by mistake. She when we first decided to collaborate together, she accidentally sent me the lavender body butter, but I'm so glad she did, because it's like I got an extra one for free. So I'm really happy about that. You get a lot for the price point, and I really love that. And it's a thick body butter. I've been using it a lot. I love the consistency of it. It's really thick and creamy, so that's another thing I like. And it really smells like lavender. So if you guys are into lavender, guys, get this lavender, because I use this after I get out the tub, because I like to take long baths. And this makes me feel so relaxed after I'm done. Like after I'm done in the tub, this makes me feel so relaxed. So I love that the lavender body butter is made with NY lavender, coconut oil, candelilla, avocado oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter. And it is so thick and creamy, and it goes on your hand very smooth. So that's another reason why I like it. And the smell of the lavender smell, it stays on your body all day. I'm not even joking. I have gotten so many compliments, because I will wear this, go out or go shopping or whatever, and I got so many compliments asking, where did you, like, they were like, oh, you smell so good, you smell like lavender. And I'll tell them about Lasbrewhas, and I told them about it, and I showed them their Instagram, and I hope, you know, they got some of it. But this is worth this. I'm so happy she sent me this by accident, because now I'm gonna want to buy this once this runs out. But I recommend her lavender body butter. All right, vixens, now we're gonna get into her soaps. So I got 3 different soaps from her. Now the first soap right here, it came in this packaging right here, And I like the packaging too because it's got that old school vibe to it, so I like that. It's her rose face wash. It's made with rose hip, glycerin, coconut cream, avocado oil, pink Amazonian, clay, honey, and I love the way it smells, guys. Now this has made my skin feel super clean after I would use it. You can tell it's been used, and that's how much I've been using it. I wash my face with this every day. This is like one thing after I use the rose face cream. Before I use the rose face cream, I wash my face with this first, with the rose face wash, and then I use the rose face cream after to moisturize my skin. And guys, this smells just like rose. It's moisturizing, and it's very good for your face, and you can use it on your body as well. So this is not just for your face. You can use this all over if you like, but I really love this. You know, I really love like the little details she has, because it even has like the little, like the Brewhas pot right here. So I do like that. And I pay attention to detail, and I like the details she has in her line. But like when I seen her products, I just had to have them, and I love rose, so I had to have her whole rose now collection. This is another product that I really love. This is her rose and rosemary shampoo. I have used this, and guys, this is really good for your hair. I really love it too. It's very moisturizing. I have been just using the back of it because I'm just, you know, I only use, like when I use her rose, like when I use this rosemary shampoo, I use the back of it, and I like rub my hair with it like that. So that's why it doesn't look as used in the front. It is made with glycerin, pink clay, avocado oil, coconut oil, rosemary. And guys, it is so pretty. Look at the detail of the rose. That's kind of why, another reason why I don't want to mess up. I just like the detail of this rose. It looks pretty. Like when you see pretty soaps, that makes like your, you know, your self-care routine more enjoyable when you see pretty things. So I like the prettiness of it. It smells good. It keeps my hair moisturized, and I like that it's organic and it's a natural product. And it does show a difference in my hair. Like I see a major difference from using this, from using store-bought stuff to using like homemade organic products. I do see a difference in my hair. I notice my hair is more moisturized and less breakage because I have been bleaching the mess out of my hair, and it's been not breaking off. It hasn't been breaking off like that, but it would like shed a tiny bit. And I noticed when I started using her stuff, it stopped the shedding. So I noticed my hair has been getting thicker and growing more. And I just bleached my hair again, and you guys can already see I'm getting a little bit of my roots back. So I just bleached my hair like 5 days ago, and this is already my roots is already grown back after 5 days. So this will grow your hair as well. And now that I've only have been using her products, because I wanted to test it out for her, because she sent this to me around May, and it is now June. So I have been using this for a while, and I just been wanting to test it out before I review this. But guys, I recommend her products. Like I noticed a huge difference in organic and store-bought stuff. So if you have, you know, if you really want to see a difference in your hair, I would say go with the organic products and see what difference it would do for your hair. Now, last but not least, this is my favorite product thus far, guys. And I have been slowly using this one because I just love the rose soap that she sent me. It came in this box, and I love like the little pretty Latina women on the side, and it has the Brewhas pot in the back, and it says made by Latinas with amor, so that means love. And I love that it says Lasbrewhas Body Shop, and this is how it looks. Leave beauty, not waste behind. So I do like, you know, what she stands for with her products. And this is what it looks like, guys. I've only used this once, but I just kind of want to keep it. I don't really want to use this one because it's so pretty, and I don't want to really mess it up. But this is the rose soap, guys, and out of all her products, this is like my favorite because I just love the rose. I love the way it looks, and I kind of don't want to mess with it, but I would just kind of do this and just, you know, use a little bit of it. But other than that, guys, I've been, you know, not messing with the rose soap because I've just been trying to just preserve it. But it is so pretty, guys. I really like it. I am gonna eventually use it because I want to see how this fully will work on my skin. But other than that, guys, I love it. It smells so good. And let me see, it doesn't say what it's made out of, but I already know it's made out of something natural. So guys, most likely you would get something natural when if you get any of her products, because she doesn't just have rose, she has lavender, she has other, you know, other flavors and other, you know, stuff for, you know, whatever your vibe is when you come to her website, so to her business. So if you are into any of her, if you are into rose or any organic products, I highly recommend Lasbrewhas because her stuff is just so pretty and beautiful and organically made. So yes, I really do recommend it, and I hope you guys love this all these products, and let me know what you guys think on the products. You know, it's so pretty and it smells good, and I just love it. All right, Vixens, so that is it. That is my Lasbrewhas review. I hope you Vixens love this review. I enjoyed showing you guys all the products, and I love what it does to my skin, my hair, my body. I just love these products, and I highly recommend them. I will have all the links of everything that I showed you guys in the description box below. I will make sure I have all her information of Gabby's business in the description box below, so you guys can go check it out for yourselves. So let me know, do you like the products so far? Do you didn't like them? Let me know, what is your thoughts on these products? And yes, I will be back with another video really soon. I'm editing that after this video is posted, I'm editing that video as I'm telling you guys this. So don't worry, you guys have another video coming real soon, and I will see you Vixens again soon. Bye, Vixens.